Alright, we're on the paved road and we're going to turn back down the dirt road. And we're going to look across the draw here and see where everybody is. We had to rush and hurry back to get up ahead of everybody again. And that looks like I see them up there a ways, I believe. I was talking about the draw a while ago. We're down in it now. You can see it's just kind of, it was just an old riverbed is what it was. It kind of worked its way through. We're driving north again, so the draw crosses east to west right over here. I'm having to watch the road, so I may not be doing very good camera work. Big surprise, right? But I would love to have seen the river that used to flow through here. Alright, as we start back up, I should probably pay attention here. I don't know just where they'll be. Oh, there they are. I see cows but no truck. The cows are actually staying ahead of the truck right now. We'll pull into this driveway here and get turned around. That dinging you hear is my truck thinking it needs motor oil. Now I'll get back in front here. And somebody's calling me on the phone. Who is calling me? It is my daughter. All right, be back in a minute, y'all.